I throw the seed on the ground. This defeats the squirrel's destructive behavior. Everybody, it's a free-for-all. I just had a bluejay, a cardinal, and a red-headed woodpecker, all within 18 inches of each other. I thought, boy, I wish I could have gotten a picture of that. And then I thought, for whom? I mean, it's not like you're Johnny Autobonsky and you make your living by photographing birds. Now, if you capture it with the photograph, it will always be that. It will never change. But if all you had was the memory, think about it.